Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 10 divided by 2 divided by 10 and again divided by 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. And again here we have 10 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 5 is just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So we have 5 divided by 10 and divided by 2. Now we have to do this division. 5 divided by 10 can be written as 5 over 10. Then divided by 2. Now, let's simplify this fraction. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1 and the 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So we have 1 over 2 divided by 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. And this is equal to 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 2 times 2 equals 4. So we have 1 over 4 or 0.25. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 0.25.